Hello, today I am going to talk about the Peter Principle. What is the Peter Principle? Lawrence J. Peter was a Canadian educator and hierarchologist. He has talked about the Peter Principle. It says the principle that the people are promoted until they reach the level at which they are incompetent. Again, I am repeating, the Peter Principle is a principle that people are promoted until they reach the level at which they are incompetent. That means in an organization, we keep on promoting the people till they become incompetent. How? The people get promoted based on their tenure or their success in the previous role or current role. If somebody is very much expert or successful in the current role, or somebody has passed a X number of years of service into the current role, he gets eligible for promotion and he gets promoted irrespective of their capacity to excel in the new position. And if this happens, that is what is called as Peter Principle. So when a person is getting promoted, we don't look at whether he is capable in the next position or the new role, but it's based on his past performance. Suppose this is an old rule and the promotion is due just because he's completed certain experience in this role, or just because he has performed very good in this role. So he gets promoted and he comes into the new role where the experience in gathering here is no longer relevant. Whatever he has got experience, that's no longer relevant into the new role. Then it's a dangerous for the organization if any organization falls in the trap of the Peter Principle. How it works? If individual doesn't desire a role or doesn't fully understand the new expectation and he gets promoted, basically the organization is setting him up for the failure. So a good person, maybe let's talk about some sales. Somebody is very good at sales, a very good sales executive, always hitting the target. Suddenly we promote him as a manager and he do not have that leadership qualities. Maybe as an individual he is very good, a very nice performer, but maybe as a leader he is a failure. Then we are getting a bad manager and losing a good sales executive. That's as simple as that. So maybe the person's skills level is continuously rising and suddenly he gets promoted at this point of time and his competence level suddenly drops. Maybe with certain efforts and all he gets to the new competence level, but that will always be below the earlier one. And that is what is the Peter Principle affects into the organization. And that's what for the promoted individuals, the expected ability falls from the period to period. As a person grows in the career, as he grow in the designation, the expected ability is high. The expectation goes high, but in practice it falls because he might be very good in earlier position but may not be as good as the new position. And that spreads a negative vibes into the team also. Like so if somebody says my boss incompetence is an aspiration, that one day someone as incompetent as me also can be the boss, and that can screw up the organization. So we must avoid having this Peter Principle into the organization, because a person keeps on getting promoted based on the past performance or based on the number of years of service. He reached to a level where he is no longer competent and we cannot expect a good performance, and that's the end of his career. We are just setting him up the failure. So how do we avoid this trap of Peter Principle in the organization? It's simple word. Are you ready for the succession planning? If we know that these persons are doing good job and we need to be promoted, first we need to understand what are their strengths and what it needs to be at this level. Maybe cross-functional or maybe in the same level, same function. And then first we need to plan for the succession, give them the required training and maybe the on-the-job experience so that they reach to that capabilities and capacities, and then only they get promoted. Otherwise, we are setting the organization for the failure. Thank you. If you like my recordings, please do subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much.